Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am in North River Ranch today, which I love this community. There's so much going on here. I love it enough that we just did a full video touring everything that there is to offer here, all the builders, all the amenities, everything you need to know about proximity to beaches and schools. So check that one out if you want to know everything. This one's a little more focused. I'm focusing today on this builder behind me, which is Cardel Homes, and the Southampton model and why you should maybe consider it. Now, if you're looking for the biggest and you need a lot of space for your house, this home over here, which is the Biscayne, it's built on a little bit bigger lot. This home behind me is built on a 50-foot lot, but I love it. And let me tell you about Cardel Homes. They've been building homes since the 1970s, over 50 years now, and they're a phenomenal builder. If you want somebody who's going to take care of you, ensure that your home is built to a high standard, Cardel's your builder. Let's take a look at the Southampton. I want you to see some of the design work that they do and how they finish their homes. If you haven't met me before, my name is Schiller. I'm your Tampa relocation guide. Feel free to contact me with any questions. If you're interested in building a home like this one in and around the Tampa Bay area, I'm here to help. Let's go look at this one. All right, this is the Southampton by Cardel Homes. Starting price just under $540,000. Finished square footage just under 2,500. 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom as it sits with a 2-car garage. Now you're gonna notice a bonus room on the left-hand side. It's got a TV, beautiful couch, finished very well. You could make that room into a tandem garage, adding a 3rd spot. So depending on where your priorities lie, you could have a 3-car garage, or you could have that extra living space. But hey, it's a beautiful home. Enjoy this tour. Let me know what questions you have, and we'll see you at the end. that wraps up the Cardel home. What did you think about it? I think it's gonna live really well. I actually really like this floor plan. It's nothing huge, it's nothing super fancy, but it feels really homey. And I think it's gonna live really well, especially for a small family. You're gonna have plenty of space and it flows really nicely. One thing I see Cardel do quite often is that laundry room to the master closet, which also has access through your master bathroom. So you got multiple entry points. It's kind of a unique idea. I do want to know, what do you think about this pool? I've actually heard a lot of people like it, possibly world's smallest pool. I don't know, what would you think? Would you build something like that? If it were me, I think I would want something a little bigger, especially if I got a killer view on the water. I'm gonna want to spend a lot of time out here, but let me know. For some people, it works. Hey, once again, my name is Brett Schiller. If you're interested in a home like this one or want to know more about Cardel as a builder, be more than happy to answer questions for you. My number's on the screen. Until next time, see you then.